Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on the $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, okay, check this out, everybody. I'm doing something a little bit different to show you guys some other things that you could be doing. Of course, it's not financial advice. We got that out the way. But some things that you could be doing and opportunities that you can be making money while you're sitting on your main tokens that you love and cherish and don't want to sell, right? That you want a diamond hand, right? So these are just some of the pictures. All of them have not yet loaded up, but we're up already $2,100 for the day. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to leave this open. I'm going to put the link to this Telegram, which is a Telegram that I made. And I'm going to be doing a screen share right here. And if you got questions about specifically FTM and about trading, I'm going to be answering them just for fun. We're going to have, if people show up, that's cool. If nobody shows up, then nobody shows up. No big deal. But this is a good chance for you guys to ask some questions and also see how I get into the rhythm in getting into these trades and be able to pick it apart to make $2,100 in the morning. Okay, so I'm going to finish this video and then I'm going to post a link to this Telegram in the description. I'm going to post it on my Twitter as well. That's why you guys want to make sure that you're following me at CryptoRico12. And right now we're going to have just some fun, and we're going to be watching FTM. I don't want to hear no bad news about this, that, or the other. We're just going to be talking about trading and opportunities and entry points. Not everybody's going to be right. Not everybody's going to be wrong. You know, we can have an open discussion about where we're getting in, where would we get out, where would be a good spot to get in. And then like that, we can have an open dialogue about people's different ideas and how people are trading, because there's more than one way to peel a cat. Okay, so let's see what we got and we'll see who all pulls up. So I'll see you guys up in this Telegram later.